to do takeouts, you get the takeout order form. You collect the guest's first and last name. Always get the correct spelling of the name. Also, you would collect the guest's phone number. Then you're ready to take the order. Write the order down in easy to read writing, collecting all details of the order. Make sure to always ask for dressing, type of dressing on the salad, the temperature they want on the steak, for example, medium, medium rare, well, medium plus, etc. And also ask if they would like dessert this evening. Make sure that everything is located in the bag and that you check to make sure the order is correct when pickup. This includes condiments, silverware, and bread and butter. Always make sure that you write down the time the room delivery or the takeout was taken, as well as the time quoted. For example, if you took the room delivery or takeout at 3:25, you would write 3:25 p.m. down. Then you would write 20 minutes quoted for the takeout to be ready. Then write your initials at the bottom of the page. If you take a takeout or room delivery, always follow through from the beginning to the end. Now we're going to put it into the computer. You use your Micros card. Make sure you're in takeout revenue. Swipe the card. If it's already in that revenue center, this screen will pop up. You press OK and then swipe the card again. This screen will pop up and you have the chance to begin a new carryout. It's this large green button. Then you always put for takeouts table number 0 and press enter. Then the screen will prompt you to enter the check ID. The check ID is the person's first and last name. So enter the first and last name of the guest and press enter. This screen will then pop up. There are a lot of buttons, but don't get intimidated because we only use a few. Starters includes all the starters for the evening, or in other words, appetizers. So we have bisque, bisque cup, calamari, cheese bake, full chips, etc. Half chips, make sure that you are asking whether the guest would prefer full or half orders of entrees and appetizers. Then you go back, go to salads. All the salads are listed. Now these options will change as the menu changes, but the basic idea stays consistent. You could also do half portions, which some entrees are offered in half portions, and this is where all of those would be located. If there's an X, for example, like this means we are 86th the food item, or it means we are out of the food item. Gluten-free is very important. If the person is gluten-free, you need to make sure you ring it under this option. We also have a section for steaks. When you press on a steak, it'll prompt you to ask what temperature you would like the steak. So you would select the steak option. For example, medium. Make sure that you become familiar with what butterfly and Pittsburgh mean. Go back. Then you go to big and small bites. This is where all the other entrees are located. Also, there is a dessert button as well, which lists all the dessert options. Make sure that you are picking the correct